Today we are here on behalf of the Roman Script for Cover-up Chaba, which is the confederation of 50 organizations, social organizations in Tripura. Actually, we know this demand has been raising for long back. The script for cover-up, that is Roman Script for Cover-up. So we today on behalf of the Roman Script for Cover-up Chaba, we have gathered around 50 organizations. Representatives from all the organizations are here today. We are placing our demand to the government through this sit-in demonstration from here from Estable, that the government should recognize, and it is our choice what language, what script are we to use. It is our matters. So the government should give us liberty to choose our script. This is what we want to send a message, clear message to the government of Tripura, that they must consider giving the opportunity to the indigenous people to choose our own script, in what script we are going to use. There is the reason here today we are gathering. So we are sending clear message to the government once again through this very sit-in gathering here at sit-in demonstration. This 50 social organizations we have gathered to place the demand that the government should implement, should consider our demand, that is Roman script for Koborok. Until and unless our demand has been solved, we'll never sit silent. We'll continue our movement. It will grow more stronger and stronger. Thank you.